Getting started on the Excel project for Math 120, the first thing you need to do is make sure Excel is downloaded on your computer. Many of you have an online version of Excel. That will not work for this Excel project. There are features you cannot access that way. So if you need assistance downloading, you can log into Piedmont Technical College's Pathway and click down on Contact Support and go to Browse Solutions. IT has answered this question enough times they now have a hand on how to do it. So under General Student, here is a link, installing Office 365 on your personal computer. Follow the steps in this PDF and you will be able to successfully download Microsoft Excel. Once you have installed Excel, you need to then turn on the Analysis Toolpak add-in. Well, here we are at a regular Microsoft Office worksheet. Nothing has been done in it. The way you know if you have the add-in turned on is if you click this tab here, the one called Data, and look at the far end. There's an empty box over here in the far right. That means I do not have the Analysis Toolpak turned on. To turn it on, I go to File. At the bottom of the green, you have this thing, Options. Brings up this dialog box. You're going to click down here on Add-ins. You want to add in the Analysis Toolpak, the plain one. You don't want this VBA thing. You just want Analysis Toolpak. Click on it. Do not click OK. Instead, you're going to click Go. If you click OK, you're going to think you've added it, but it's not there. So you have all these choices again. Click on the box that says Just Analysis Toolpak. Click OK here. And notice up here in this top right side, you now have a data analysis option that you didn't have before. So congratulations. You have now downloaded the Excel program and you have turned on your data analysis Toolpak. Your next step is in your next video to bring up your Excel project and begin problem 1.